Here we come to the 4th elevator at the Omni La Mansión del Rio in San Antonio, Texas. This one's a Dover, and it's already here. Only difference is it's got a carpet, but one elevator in the lobby has the tile flooring. One. I'm not going to take for a second round on this one. Hi. Are you coming down?
Yep.
Yeah, we are. Just
Thank you.
Level 4?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry, we've got a mess going.
No, it's all right. I'm just fascinated into elevators, that's all.
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
Very cool.
Yep, I like to record elevators for my personal enjoyment.
Very cool.
It's like Haven used to be with water fountains. He
Yep.
lived with water fountains.
Thank you.
All right, you have a great rest of the day.
You too.
Unfortunately, the modernized Otis elevator is down today, so I couldn't get that one, unfortunately. But these are your fixtures. They're classic Dover, newer traditional fixtures. Just like all the other ones. The first couple of elevators that we rode have epic sounding motors. That lantern worked that time, and that's your original indicator. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.